Now today we are going to start with unit 2, that is plants and animals. So let's start with chapter number 10, make a compost pit. So composting is a nature of way of recycling. It makes the soil rich by breaking down wet waste and improving quality of soil. So you will need open space with wet soil, a shovel house of your neighborhood, lots of wet waste. Before starting, divide the wet waste into two parts. Next we have green waste, which include food scraps, peels, cooked and uncooked food. ठीक है, ब्राउन वेस्ट, इसमें आपका ब्राउन ड्राई लीव्स होती है, गार्डन वेस्ट होता है, एनिमल वेस्ट होता है, टी लीव्स होता है. How to compost? So select an open space with a wet soil, right? Dig a deep pit and you can take help of gardener or take sons to dig a little by one. Place the bucket of green waste and 2 buckets of brown waste. Now place a thin layer of soil. Keep the soil moist by adding water from time to time. Right? Make a more such layer till you reach top cover and turn the compost regularly to let the air and keep adding water. Your compost will take the 8 to 12 weeks to turn it into. Now let's move to the next chapter, words of plants. So you have to write the names of the plants. First is banana tree, banyan hai. First one is banyan tree. Next is banana tree, eucalyptus. Then we have palm. Next one is jacaranda. Sixth one is boab. Then seventh one is neem. And the eighth one is fir. Right? Now, let's move to the next chapter, chapter number 12. Plants crosswords. So, read the clues and write them. Our national flower, that is lotus. Next is this flower turns toward sun, that is sunflower. The largest flower in the world, that is Rafflesia. The tallest tree, fourth is the wood of the tree which is used to make cricket bat, that is willow. Fifth one is white sticky flower, latex, that is latex. Now, seventh one is cacti are usually found in deserts. Juice is sugarcane is stored in stem. Now, a herb sacred to Hindu, that is tulsi. Let's move to the next chapter, chapter number 13, that is carnivorous plants. So, the plants that looks like striking cobra. The nectar in the tongue attracts insects. Insects falls into the water at the bottom of the food and is digested. What it is, which plant it is? It is your cobra plant. This water plant has hollow traps that catch animals such as worms and water fleas. If an insect touches the bristle, then what we call it? That is bladder. The leaves of this plant looks like pitcher with a flap that partly covers the top. Insects are attracted to the sugary trail of nectar and once they are inside, they are trapped. That is your pitcher plant. The leaves of the plants are covered with hair-like structure, right? So it is sundew. The leaves of these plants have blades. They fold together and enclose the insect. Our red sap digests the body and the plant dies after trapping 3 to 4 insects. This is Venus flytrap. Now, let's move to the next chapter. Chapter number 14, fishy tails. So you have to write the names of fish. The fish swallows the water when it is frightened and inflates the body like balloon and with all the spines. That is your puffer fish. Second is this fish can live out of water for many months in dried up stream bed. It exhibits the evolutionary transition from breathing in water to breathing in air. What we call it? That is African lungfish. This is mainly found in shallow tropical and temperate water throughout the world and live in sheltered areas. यहाँ पे आपको sea grass देखने को मिलती है, right? तो it is sea horse. Next is the fish glides over the surface of water using its wing. Its wings covers maximum distance of 400 meters. This is flying fish. Next is it has 5 arms. One of the arm is broken and it grows into a new arm. That is starfish. This is a vacuum cleaner of the sea, that is sea cucumber. Now, let's move to the next chapter. Chapter number 15, amazing facts. Biggest animal जो है land पे वो आपका अफ्रीकन एलिफेंट है. टाइगर बिगेस्ट कैट है. चीता फास्टेस्ट रनिंग एनिमल है. और जो आउल्स है दे स्लीप करते हैं इन द डे एंड हंट एट नाइट. द बिगेस्ट सी एनिमल जो है वो कौन है आपका? ब्लू व्हेल. ठीक है. गोरिल्ला जो है वो लार्जेस्ट ऑफ ऑल एप्स है. मोस्ट आउल स्लीप एट डे एंड नाइट. पेंगुइन क्या होता है? स्किल स्विमर होते हैं. एप्स they do not have tails. Monkeys and apes spend lot of time on trees. Tortoise क्या करते हैं? Spend करते हैं all its time on land. वर्ल्ड की फास्टेस्ट बर्ड है आपके पैरिग्वी. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द चैप्टर नंबर 16 दैट इज लुक्स लाइक. टॉर्टोइज या टर्टल देखो सेम लगता है. लैंड पे रहते हैं. टर्टल टॉर्टोइज लैंड पे रहता है. टर्टल वाटर में रहता है. इसके लैंग्स होते हैं जिनके पैडल्स लाइक शेप होता है. हेयर और रैबिट देखो लगते तो एक जैसे है लेकिन अलग अलग होते हैं. ये बिगर होते हैं देन इनके जो ईयर्स होते हैं रैबिट्स के वो लार्जर होते हैं. ठीक है. एंड hares lives in open fields while rabbits live in underground and is linked up with tunnel called warrens. नेक्स्ट इज अफ्रीकन एलिफेंट और ये एशियन एलिफेंट है. देखो है सिमिलर लेकिन बड़े है. ठीक है. इनके बिगर ईयर्स हैं. टस्क बड़े हैं. वुल्फ मच लार्जर देन फॉक्स. दे हैव लार्ज मस्कुलर बॉडी. ब्रॉड स्नाउट एंड स्मॉलर होते हैं. पॉइंटेड ईयर्स होते हैं. Butterfly and brightly colored and fly by day. Moths usually fly at night and are dull in color. थोड़े dull होते हैं. Alligator और crocodile wide होते हैं, broad होते हैं, nose इनकी usually have narrow nose और ये darker in color होते हैं as well as. Next is chapter number 17 that is world of sea. So let's study about them. First one is this is jellyfish. This is bee, sea mammal. Fifth one is your eye. Sixth is sea lion, C. Seventh is J. Eighth is D, that is octopus. Ninth is K. This is your blue whale. Now, let's move to the next chapter. Chapter number 18, mammals all. So, the mammals which has longest lifespan, आपको मैच करना है. They can live for 50 years. This is B, right? Now, smallest mammal less than 50 meter length, that is your, this is F. Fourth is C. Fifth one That is tallest mammal that can grow over 16 meter. Fastest mammal that run at the speed of. That is your cheetah. This is Platypus. And eighth one is your largest mammal जो grow करता है. That is G. Right? Now, let's move to the next chapter. Chapter number 90 is monkeys variety. So let's study about the monkey variety now. This is squirrel monkey. ये कौन सा monkey है? Squirrel monkey. Second is, this is your spider monkey. This is shaky monkey. Fourth one is golden lion. Tamarin. This is your emperor. Tamarin. Sixth is, this is howler monkey. Seventh is patas. This is colobus. This is your drill monkey. Drill monkey. Right? This is complete. Now let's move to the next chapter. Chapter number 20, that is endangered animals. So this is fairly large size deer with fork antler. Large size deer है, fork antler है, आपको नॉर्थ साइड ऑफ कश्मीर वैली में देखने को मिलता है. इसका धीरे धीरे हैबिटेट डिस्ट्रक्शन हो रहा है. ये आपको डैचिंगम सेंचुरी में देखने को मिलता है. सो इट्स इज हंगुल. It is heavy ground birds almost size of young ostrich, once distributed throughout the country. It is confined mostly to the arid semi-arid region of Rajasthan, Gujarat, Ahmednagar district of Maharashtra. इट इज फाउंड इन इंडियन ओशन. इसका वेट 400 to 700 ग्राम है. फीमेल जो होता है वो पर्टिकुलरली वर्नरेबल होता है. ये बड़े बड़े डग करते हैं होल. Right, egg collection by humans and pollution is there. Third one, that is, it is found in Indian Ocean and weighs about 400 to 700 kg. Female जो होता है वो particularly vulnerable होता है and large hole is dug. ठीक है, बहुत बड़ा सा हॉग होता है. राइट, सो एक बहुत बड़ा होल डिग करा जाता है. राइट, तो आपको बताना है दैट इज योर leather dye. Next is, it differs from crocodilian species and its long thin snout specialized for catching fish. Right, it is due to hunting for its stick. इसका हम यूज करते हैं. That is your घड़ियाल. It is one of the graceful antelopes in the world, hunting for sports, flesh and skin, and due to habitat restriction, जिसका नंबर है वो drastically क्या हो रहा है? Next, it is characterized by presence of globular mass gland in the male species. What we call it, that is your musk deer. Now let's move to the next chapter. That is chapter number 21, Wonderful Butterflies. So let's study about the fastest butterfly है, right? And its speed is 40 kilometer hour, that is monarch. Second is, in order to escape predator, this butterfly pretends to be dead. That is your death headworm. इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? मॉर्निंग स्लग. MOURNING. मॉर्निंग. वर्ल्ड स्मॉलेस्ट बटरफ्लाई कौन सी? आपकी वेस्टर्न पिग्मी ब्लू. Fourth one is, it is the largest butterfly in the world. That is Queen Alexandra. The butterfly has longest lifespan, so 9 से 10 मंथ का होता है. It gets its name from skull-like mark on the thorax. Head hecomort. This is death's. Right? Now, let's move to the next chapter. Chapter number 22, Animals and their habitat. So, first is chimpanzee. So, it is closest. ये closest होता है relative and natural habitat इसका pyramids in Africa है. Right? This can be found in the rainforest, grasslands and woodland of West and Central Africa. Right? Then we have meerkats, only member of genus Suricata, lives in all parts of Kalahari Desert in Botswana. Boa constrictor, thick body snake found in the tropical rainforest. They kill their prey, coiling around them. Boas will eat almost anything. Right? Then we have bacterian camel जो आपको अफ्रीका और एशिया में देखने को मिलता है. 2 humps हैं and it's go long without drinking water. Polar bear found in the Arctic region. thick fur coat होता है, skin होती है जो उनको क्या रखती है? Warm रखती है. Right? Now let's study with the chapter number 23, that is animal babies. A young one of dog is known as puppy. A larva of butterfly is called. That is caterpillar. Now young one of kangaroo is called joy. Young one of horse. If we talk about young one of horse, next is young one of an eel. eel का young one क्या होता है? That is elver. Young one of the grasshopper is called nymph. The young one of fowl is called chicken. और stack का क्या होता है? fawn होता है. Now, worlds of insects, here the description is given to you. You have to write the breed in water and spread malaria. That is mosquito. Right? Next one is breed in rubbish and it is a carrier of cholera. That is flies. Next is they fly and swarms and destroy all the crops. That is locusts. They live together in a colonies made in damp wood. Queen lays 1000 eggs every day. Okay, it's that is termite. They live in a warm climate and they are strong pincher skill, that is scorpion. They have fillers to see and smell food, and they are also used as fillers, that is ant. Seventh one is इनको पर्पल एम्पर बोला जाता है, that is butterfly. Brightly colored ladybugs provide natural pest control by eating, that is green bugs. Next is the honeybee lives in a huge group. What we call it? That is your colonies. Next is they gather nectar from the flower and take care of the young ones. What we call it? That is worker bee. Next is they march across the forest floor. इनकी huge army होती है. They swam करते हैं और small creatures होते हैं और colonies में रहते हैं. That is army ants. They die after a sting you. That is your honeybee. Right? Let's move. Now, our chapter has been completed. We have completed our unit 2. Hope you understood. Now, we will meet in the next class. Thank you.